Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the people counting project using machine learning. So in that project you have to run the main file like python space run project.py, that is Python file, and you have to enter the EOD time to terminate the program. Okay, I'm just entering 12:20 and we have to enter the input source. Like if you press 0, so it will take the live input from the laptop front camera. Right now it is counting total people 1 because I'm sitting in the front of the laptop front camera. Okay, and it will also give the date and time with the number of people in the output. User can also provide the input video or real-time detection. So I'm just giving that particular video. We have to copy that path. So just copy the location and click on OK. And again run the project through terminal. Python space run project.py, enter. Okay, and we have to end the EOD time and just paste the location with the file name input.mp4. Then it will open the video file and detect and count the total number of people from that particular video. This type of projects we are developing related to machine learning, deep learning, AI neural network, OpenCV, computer vision based, Java, Python, Android. So if you are searching a type of project, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, and you can visit our website for the more project ideas like www.techieprojects.com. This is our website. You can visit our website. Okay, let's check on another video. Again, run the main file and enter the EOD time with the video path and video name test.mp4. So it will open that video and detect the person and count the number of people in that particular video. So right now it is counting 2 or 3 total number of people. It works same like object detection. So it will count the total number of people. First it will detect the people and then it will count the total number of person in that video. And it will store in the logs. Let's open the notebook file. It will count the number of person total with the date and time. You can see it will store frame by frame. Each and every frame it will changes in the counting. So this will be the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.